Is your living space a constant source of stress and frustration? It might be time for a change. Is your living space a constant source of stress and frustration? It might be time for a change. First, it's all about visual clarity. When your space is cluttered, your mind can feel just as chaotic. Decluttering helps you find what you need without the hassle. Secondly, decluttering is a path to mental well-being. Lastly, creating space is essential. Sometimes sentimental or seasonal items are hard to part with. That's where self-storage comes in. And for safe, clean, and secure storage options, visit Arcos Self-Storage at www.arcosstorage.com. Remember, decluttering isn't just about your space, it's about reclaiming your peace of mind. Start your journey today.